Zhangjiagang Camel Machinery Company Limited is one of professional company for plastic extrusion and recycling equipment in China. With 8 years experience, 4,000 installations and presence in 50 countries in Europe, South Americas, Middle East, Asia, and Africa, Camel Machinery aim is to be a top plastic equipment supplier in the world. Based on the spirit of this principle, we are not only made our best to meet the market demand, but also enhance innovative ability. Company R&D team can provide technology to meet the various needs of customers. Camel Machinery offers following major product lines: PVC, PE, PPR, PP pipe extrusion line, WPC extrusion line, PVC garden hose, spiral hose, steel wire reinforced hose extrusion line, PE, PP, PVC single or double wall corrugated pipe production line, PET bottle recycling line, PE, PP film recycling line, UPVC, PVC ceiling wall panel extrusion line, WPC foam board production line, single shaft shredder, double shaft shredder, plastic crusher, plastic pulverizer, plastic agglomerator. Our company's strategic target is provide the best quality products with the reasonable price, perfect technical solutions, and quick after-sale service. Our company's philosophy is quality derive from profession, success derive from innovation. Our company's motto is integrity wins the world. Welcome to Zhangjiagang Camel Machinery.